Two brothers were found shot to death at Bell Heights district in Garden Pen, SpanishTown, St. Catherine on Saturday morning. They have been identified as 32-year-old Devon Mackenzie, otherwise called Chucky, and 23-year-old Rhea Robinson, otherwise called Rio, both from the district. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 3:30 a.m., family members heard loud explosions and went and made check-ins of their surroundings. During a search, the family members saw the brothers lying in separate beds inside a one-room dwelling with gunshot wounds to their body. A man was shot dead in front of his 7-year-old son in Elim District in St. Elizabeth on Friday. The dead man has been identified as 50-year-old Richard Griffiths, otherwise called Richie, a farmer from the district. It was reported that around 4:11 p.m. Griffiths was outside his house with his 7-year-old son when a silver car drove up with several men aboard. Police reported that one of the men exited the vehicle and opened fire at the now deceased, killing him on spot. The man returned to the car, which drove away. The police were summoned and Griffiths taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The body was later transported to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. No motive has been established for the killing, the police said. A 19-year-old is dead after his motorcycle collided with a Toyota Tundra motor truck in Runaway Bay, St. Anne on Saturday night. The deceased is Anthony Dawkins of Salem, Runaway Bay in the parish. Reports from the lawmen are that around 7:30 p.m. Dawkins was driving his motorcycle along the roadway when he lost control and collided in the Tundra motor truck. The police and fire brigade were called to the scene and Dawkins was taken to hospital where he later died. A friend of Dawkins told Observer Online that he had hopes of becoming an entrepreneur. Dancehall artist Stephanie Williams, otherwise called Medic, of Mayfair Reddy's Road in St. Andrew have been missing since Thursday, August 24. Williams is 29 and of brown complexion, slim built and about 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that Williams left home sometime on Thursday afternoon and has not been heard from since. At the time, she was wearing a black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. All attempts to contact her have failed.